Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max Face ID issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general. Then here click on software update. And from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then update it to latest iOS version, and after that it will fix your problem. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and click on general, and then here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side. So after restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on Face ID and passcode, and then enter your lock screen passcode, and from here scroll down and click on reset Face ID. Now after that set up a new Face ID, and after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.